Altcoin season just started. I have proof. I'm going to show you a few things in this video, such as the altcoin season index. I'm going to be showing you what Bitcoin's doing. We're going to be going on to more macro things like the total market cap of crypto. We're going to then be talking about Ethereum. Lots of very interesting charts, my trades all coming up. So altcoin season index. First thing, very important to understand what altcoins are doing, of course, but Ethereum, the biggest altcoin, if you want to call it an altcoin. Kind of is an altcoin. Bitcoin season, that's where we are at the moment. We are very, very oversold on the altcoin season index, meaning this presents the best value in buying altcoins. That doesn't mean to say that Bitcoin can't perform very well. I mean, just to show you what Bitcoin's currently doing, if you look at this high time frame chart for Bitcoin, you can see that from where kind of the summer of last year we were consolidating. Well, we've done a similar thing over the last couple of months since December, where Bitcoin topped out at that 110k level. We've now completed this move to the downside. 78,000 is in, and it looks like this parabolic curve pattern for Bitcoin will play out. And of course, when Bitcoin rallies, altcoins and Ethereum rally even harder when we're in a bull market. The Bitcoin dominance for the last 2 years has been surging, and we now have a very much of a top signal in from the technicals and many other indicators as well, such as the total crypto market cap, which you can see is forming this huge cup and handle pattern, or inverse head and shoulders pattern, which indicates altcoin season. And in a second, I'm going to show you exactly what that means for Ethereum. But first, look at the total three. This is the market cap of all cryptocurrency, but taking out Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see it's been consolidating in this bull flag, and the total crypto market cap actually went all the way down. This is the total three, sorry, so it excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it lost almost 35% of its value over the last couple of months. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, you can see how out of favor Ethereum has been over the last couple of years. Similar to the Bitcoin dominance is the inverse of that. But Ethereum Bitcoin has been absolutely decimated, and it's at major support like it was back in 2019. So buying Ethereum now with Bitcoin or with USDT is the same value of buying it pretty much back in December 2019. And we all saw what happened to Ethereum when we got to that point. Now we're going to go on to the Ethereum charts, which I've got some new charts to show you guys. But before I do that, and of course after you've hit the like button, I do want to show you the Dixie. The Dixie is the dollar index. When the US dollar weakens, which it's just topped out and reached major resistance, it's a good symbol for risk assets, including altcoins, including Ethereum and Bitcoin. But I just expect, like most, that altcoins and Ethereum are going to rally harder. I think where Ethereum is right now is very similar to the Bitcoin ETF pump that we got in the middle of 2023. We got the ETF approval, and Bitcoin, which you're looking at here, completely skyrocketed on the news, similar to the crypto reserve and Trump coming in like we did now. But of course, it took out the lows, went the opposite way. Call it manipulation. Maybe the powers that be and the big money were buying. Who knows? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm not making any kind of opinion, just talking. But Bitcoin basically hovered around this 25k support for a long time, similar to how Ethereum's been bouncing around this $2,500 level, and then of course it went off to the races. You can see how similar the patterns are, and I do expect Ethereum to follow the same course, going all the way back up to the 3,000 next resistance level. Now, where Ethereum's currently sitting is in this downward wedge. Since December, where it topped out of 4k, we've been downward, and we're now at this major support level that Ethereum's just taken out. You can see on the higher time frame here, we are still very much range bound. We have the resistance of $4,000 to $4,500, and we're creating, albeit despite the bad press that Ethereum's getting, we're still creating higher lows. Is exactly what you want to do. We're in this bullish triangle formation, And the next target for Ethereum is very, very bullish. This is why I have trades open. I have an Ethereum trade open. I have a Bitcoin trade open, Solana trade open using some futures. By the way, if you do want to open any trades, you can do with a bonus. There's some free crypto using this link in the video description, guys. In fact, up until the middle of March, so it's time, it's limited, you can get up to $100,000 in free crypto. Okay. To get 100K, you're probably not going to get it unless you've got $1 million to deposit. I know most people don't. But even if you want to get $450 for free, you just need to deposit $1,000, $1,000. Use a bit of trade volume, not much. You can get $200 bonus by depositing $500. So there's bonuses there for everyone using that link down below. Blowfin's a great platform. It's where I do all my futures trading, altcoins, meme coins, etc. But for now, Ethereum is looking very, very good, especially as all the liquidity in the market was taken out by this wick over the last, well, let's say in early March. All that liquidity has been taken. We now have liquidity building to the upside, which is incredibly bullish for the Ethereum price and altcoins. Look at this chart. I mean, you can see it's simple, guys. Simple trading. Look at the support at 2156. We're holding that level. Next resistance level is $4,000. Guys, you have about an 80% move. I mean, for example, if you have 80%, I'm using 5x leverage. That's the potential of 400% you could use if you were using futures. I believe it's a great risk to reward trade to be taken right now. And big news, the Ethereum Petra upgrade nears mainnet. The main thing about this upgrade is the transaction fees and the enhanced scalability. This is incredibly bullish for Ethereum, especially going into altcoin season and an Ethereum season. So guys, I'm bullish. Let me know if you're bullish. Feel free to check out any one of these videos on screen. My prediction, by the end of March, Ethereum is going to be back up close, if not at 4K. What do you think? See you on the next one. Bye-bye.